Today I am working with a Singer Model 27 sewing machine. This one is from 1903. This is a great little machine for people that are beginning to learn how to treadle or working with their treadling skills. It is a wonderful, smooth machine and fairly easy to get the hang of. Today I'm going to start with the bobbin winder, and we're going to go ahead and wind a bobbin on this machine. So pop the bobbin out of the shuttle. This one uses a long bobbin with a shuttle in this machine. So what we're going to do is start with the thread. I usually on these will insert the bobbin into the winder here, and then I'll take a trick and I will pull the bobbin back and actually let the bobbin pinch the thread in there, and then I'll lead it through all of its guides. There's one there, another at the bottom, and then there's one up here on the face. I'll release the clutch on the end here so that it will disengage the needle. And this one I'm going to tuck the belt here behind the bobbin winder and let it put the pressure on that way, and that will turn the bobbin winder. And we'll go ahead and get that started. It winds a fairly nice, smooth little bobbin there. That should be enough, and I'm going to snip it. Then I'm going to release the belt, pull out the bobbin, and I'm going to snip off that little bit that kind of got caught at the end, so that doesn't interfere when that bobbin starts to run low. So I take the bobbin over the top, as such, and I put it in the shuttle, and I usually hold the shuttle with the point down below, and there's a groove along the side, and when you drop that bobbin in, the thread is just going to want to fall down the groove. I put my finger on the tip of it so that it doesn't spin while I'm trying to bring that thread down, and then it needs to be brought back up and snapped underneath the little finger that you see there, and you want to have it sitting on top so that the thread comes up and up over that little finger and then under the curve. And with that, it's ready to go into the machine. Open it up and make sure that the shuttle race is most forward position, and it lays with the flat side. You can see where it's actually been worn there. That part goes against the curve, and the spring is always up. And I put the nose in first and let it drop into place. Threading this machine is fairly straightforward. It comes from the spool pin here into a guide on the face. It goes down underneath the tension discs and up through the check spring. This is a manual tension release, so you actually have to push it down to release the tension discs. And then it goes through the take-up spring, the take-up lever here on the face. There's one more little guide on the face plate that it'll go down through. And then the last guide is right before the needle. And then I'll engage the clutch one more time. There we go. Bring the needle up, and I drop the presser foot to kind of get a little bit better view of the needle for threading. Once it's threaded, then I'll turn the hand wheel and bring that bobbin thread up. There we go. Close the plate, and she's ready to stitch. And she stitches beautifully.